Alright guys, so it is is it Good Friday?
Well, obviously I was a delinquent.
Friday. I think it's good. Yes, it's Good Friday. Yes, it's Good Friday and then Easter Monday. Yeah, so you guys are home and I haven't posted a video in a hot minute and y'all been bothering me about the video, and I have like so many unfinished vlogs to share. So I'm just going to like do a little compilation type of thing for you to just sit down, chillax and watch. So yeah, I feel cute. Do you feel cute? Anyways, here are the clips from all my shenanigans. No, not shenanigans, but let me stop. Okay, catch you at the end. Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So we're in the country chilling out for the weekend. Yes, this is how I traveled on the road with my hair. Leave me alone. But yeah, so I'm taking Amari to see his cousin. And yeah, you must have to wait for me. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Wrong answer. It should have been me, idiot. Hi, mother.
So we're gonna put in is
What are you doing, mommy?
Jesus.
Oh my God.
And she go right. You go left. You go up. You go down. La 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 la.
You are traumatizing me.
And she go.
When I put the camera frame, you're traumatizing. Jenny.
La 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 la.
You see what you have a child do? You see what you have a child doing?
Jolly said children over there learn. Jolly. Jolly la 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 la.
Jenny, don't follow grandma. Do not follow grandma, okay?
Jolly. You're a bad influence, Jenny.
You are. You're a bad influence on my
I'm going
child.
to cry. I'm not just asleep, you know.
So we are trying to need to. Is that
Don't
cute?
even know content about me a bad influence.
You are. You call me when you do.
No one is showing now what
You requested my present.
Johnny and for joy. Jesus loved to hear little Johnny sing. Clap your hands for joy. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Watch me air fish. You wanna watch it for me?
I am not washing your hair.
I know.
My word, Barbara! Barbara!
So this is father. Hi, father. You say, jack of all trades, you know. Wee. Yeah. The dog come walk on your thing. Yeah. Can't wait to see it finish. Yeah. And there's Mommy and Barbara, her best friend. Come, Barbara.
Barbara, behave no. What?
Take up that and put in it also, man. So guys, we're heading to church. I am late, like a late bug, but Mommy already left with Jenny, so it's me and Omanique and Amari. Say hi. Hi. Nice to see you. Yeah, so anyways, bye. Later. Watch the dog. Jesus. Look how she pretty.
Decided to end the vlog here, so catch you in the next one.
Yeah.